C200 how to replace radiator. So for replacement of radiator it's easy, and this work is only for 2 hours. Within 2 hours it will finish. So this upper cover just you have to remove. These are the screw 30 T30. After removing these are the screw, just remove this cover. Now you have to remove the radiator fan. From left side it's AC pipe is touching, so just you have to skip the AC pipe, then you can get the access. So that's why first of all just remove from right side, and these are the lock. You have to unlock the lock. Two lock only, there are two. So now here you can see the radiator fan is out. You can see here radiator was leaking. So now after removing the fan, just disconnect the coolant line from radiator. So there are screw also, you can see 25 tolex. So left and right both bottom side you can see here one is screw here. After removing the T20 tolex screw, you can see it's free. So this red AC pipe is touching with radiator, just you have to skip. That's why first remove from right side, then left side. Then you can get the access to remove the radiator. So new radiator fixing, just apply some lubricant, so it's easy to lock on the position. This lock, it will go inside of this bracket. So for fixing, first of all fix from left side and then right side, because you have to skip also AC pipe. That's why you have to twist it and fix from this side, left side, then right side, and this apply screw, it will on the position. There is the one screw. Thank you for your watching. Enjoy the video and love your work, what you are doing.